Hey everybody, I just thought I would stop and show you some things that I got in the mail today. And I got my mystery tackle box in the mail today, and I've not opened it yet. So I've just cut the tape and I am fixing to open it up and see what all we have in here. I may have to come back with you in just a second after I get this thing opened. Alright, here we go. Wow. There's a bunch of stuff in there. I'll pull it out and let everybody see what I got. Okay, here's the things that come in that mystery tackle box today. Good stuff.